Title, First Wheelie. Fade in. EXT Neighborhood Street, Day. We see a young boy, Jim, riding his bicycle down the street. He looks determined as he pedals faster and faster. Jim. To himself. Come on, Jim. You can do this. He approaches a small hill and starts to climb it. As he reaches the top, he stands up on his pedals and pulls the handlebars up. Jim. Shouting. Wheelie. The bike starts to lift up, and Jim balances on the back wheel. He rides down the hill, still on the back wheel, a huge smile on his face. Jim. Shouting. I did it. I did a wheelie. He reaches the bottom of the hill and rides back to his house, still grinning from ear to ear. EXT Jim's house, Day. Jim jumps off the bike and runs inside, bursting with excitement. Int. Jim's house, Day. Jim's mother is sitting at the kitchen table. Jim. Mom. Mom. I did a wheelie. Mother. Really? That's great, Jim. Jim. It was so cool. I felt like I was flying. Mother. I'm glad you had fun. But remember to always be careful when you're riding your bike. Jim. I will, Mom. I promise. Fade out.